very cheerful good morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to start one new chapter, that is your chapter number 6, Word, Table and Language. In this chapter, we are going to discuss some advanced feature of your software MS Word. As we all know that your MS Word is a software which is developed by the company Microsoft, and it provides us various facilities for us to do your work. For the introduction part, Microsoft Word is a full-featured word processing program. It allows the user to create and manipulate documents containing mostly text and some graphics. It means that it is a one of word processing software, means where you can edit your text, where you can write your text, and where you can add some pictures as well and graphics as well and create your documents. And next is the major advantage of using Word is that user can easily change what they have written, and you can also send a copy of your Word document to various email addresses. It means that once you have created the document, it will create a one file and you can attach that file with your email and send it to the various person around the world by using internet. With this software, we can create many types of these documents such as letters, memos, reports, facts, cover sheet, mailing labels, newsletter, etc. So this is one of the very useful software which help us to provide many facilities. And for you, I want to take one simple example of worksheets. Even all your teachers create all the worksheets in this software only, Microsoft Word or MS Word. Next is features of Word. The first one is spelling and grammar check. You can check your spelling and grammar. For example, what happened is that suppose here by mistake I write the wrong spelling like this. I want to write Microsoft, but I write down the wrong spelling. So this provides you the facility to check your spelling and your grammar as well. Here it shows as we have discussed in the grade 4 as well, as it shows red color, red line under your word. It means that it is your spelling mistake. So what we can do is that just to right click on it, it gives you suggestions. I want to choose Microsoft, so click on that. So here it's go, I can do my spelling correction by using just simply right click and choose the correct word. Similarly like that, if you have any grammatical mistake, it shows red green color line to you. Same way, right click on that and choose the correct sentence formation for your text. The next feature that it provides you is Thesaurus. This also we have discussed in grade 4. With Thesaurus, you can look up synonym for the words in the document while you are using your word processing software. So how we can use it? Suppose I write down one word, means I write it down clean. This word I write, then afterwards I want to check the synonym for this word. What you can do is that select the word, then after selecting the word, you can go to your review tab. Here in this one, it's having the option Thesaurus, or you can press Shift plus F7 also. Click on it, Thesaurus option. Now see, it shows you the synonym for the word clean, like fresh, hygienic, dirt free. All these words are the synonym for your word clean. So this is your Thesaurus feature. The next feature that we are going to discuss is your columns. Most word processing software program can arrange the text in 2 or more columns like newspaper or magazine. As we have seen in the newspapers, that the text or the page of the newspaper is divided into the form of columns, means half of the text is written this side, then half of the text, then half of the text. So if you want to present your document in the newspaper style, or if you want to write the content for newspaper, how you can use your column feature for writing the content of your newspaper. For that, what you need to do is you need to check for your column option. Here in the page layout tab we have columns option, so I click on that. Suppose I want to divide this document into 3 columns, so I choose 3. So see, when I start typing, it takes only this much width, and when I go to reach the end of it by writing the text like this, see, this is my second column. I'm just going down so that I want to show you the third column style for it. So this is your third column where you can write it down your text. So now in this way my column is divided into 3 columns. The next one feature that we are going to discuss is your table feature. How you can create your table. Go to your insert tab. Here we have table option. Table is a collection of rows and columns, so you can directly choose it according to your requirement, like this. The next feature that we are going to discuss is your mail merge facility. It creates personalized letter, mailing labels, envelope for each person on your mailing list at once. This feature we'll discuss in the explanation later on, as this chapter is all about the mail merge. But for now, I just want to tell you that by using this feature, you just need to write your letter for once, and you can use the same letter to send it to many persons just by changing the name of the person. So this is a feature of mail merge that we'll discuss later on. The next one is macros. Macros save your time by combining series of action into a single command. Let's see how it works. Now for that, I'll go to view. Here we have the macro option, and I choose it, record macro, and I'll give the name maybe macro 4. So in this macro 4, what it does is that it's like recording. With this, what you can do is that, suppose I am typing this text, afterwards what you need to do is that if I select it, when I select the text, after the selection I'll go to home tab, apply some of the formatting to it, and change the size like this. And afterwards I just want to stop my recording, go here, macros, and stop recording. Now afterwards, when you want the same text, same formatting here, rather than typing it again and applying the formatting, what you can do is that go to macro. Here we have view macros option, choose your macro 4 as I've given the name, and run. Now we have the same text and with the same formatting over here also. So this is kind of recording. You can record the text and you can apply the same text, same formatting. You can just need to run the macro and it will. The next feature that we are going to discuss is your autocorrect feature. By using autocorrect feature, it's just automatically correct your minor mistakes, or it's automatically correct your common spelling errors. For example, if you want to type ADN, here let's go, by mistake I type AADN, and then afterwards it automatically correct the spelling to and, as it's a common or a common spelling mistake or the minor mistake, so it's use this feature and it automatically corrects the spellings from ADN to and. The next feature that we are going to discuss is your auto format feature. For example, you type some of the text in your document and it automatically do the correct formatting for text. Suppose I want to write second, so I write it down 2 and B like this. When I press space, it automatically do it to the up, and D automatically goes as the superscript for it, or it automatically shows the word second to you. Similarly like that, if you added the word like this, that time also it's automatically do it to half. So this is called auto format, where it's perform the formatting by itself only. The last feature that we are going to discuss is tracking changes on the comments. This feature works when there are multiple users working on the document, and you can change the instruction that word processing software to highlight or color mode the changes made by the various user. For example, user A made the changes, set the color to red. If the user B made the changes, set the color to yellow. If user C made the changes, set the color to green. So this is how your tracking the changes or comment feature works when there are multiple users working with a document. So this is how all the features of your MS Word, and try to do it practically by yourself as well.